Hey, thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today I'm going to show you how I made these amazing, smoky, spicy, crispy Nashville hot chicken wings. It's up next on Casks-n-Que. So smoked chicken wings are wonderful. The only downside is that sometimes you get that rubbery skin that just kind of peels off, when really you'd rather have that crispy crunch when you bite into that chicken wing. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna smoke the chicken wings on the old UDS over here, but we're gonna make sure they're crispy. And of course, to start out, you need some chicken wings. Now, some people would marinate these overnight in pickle juice. I'm not going that far with it. You can if you want to. And after you do that, you can always leave it on a wire rack like this one in the fridge to get rid of the moisture on the wings. But we're just kind of rolling with what we got. Flip them over to the same thing. Our next move is going to be to come in with some canola oil. This is going to help maintain that crispiness. And today we're going to roll with Nashville hot chicken from Spiceology. Pat that in. So we're gonna let the rub kind of adhere to these wings, and in the meantime, let's get our UDS fired up. And today we're gonna roll some Royal Oak lump charcoal. And that's what we're looking like. We got some charcoal down in the charcoal basket. And time for our tumbleweed. Boop. Yes, I did just boop the tumbleweed. You can do that. It's okay. Put some charcoal in there. And wait for that to start. And of course, drink a cold beer. These coals are really hot, so we're gonna go ahead and dump those on top of the unlit coals, otherwise known as the minion method. Yeah, that's a real thing. Google it. Try not to kill myself here. Let it get up to temperature. We want to roll about 350 degrees. Open that up. Here. That'll do. Since we're going to be rocking at 350, let's go ahead and open 2 more. And we do have a chunk of cherry wood in there, so we're just going to let this come up to temp. Our ugly drum smoker is now up to 350 degrees. Let's go ahead and get these wings on. All right, we're going to let those rock and roll for about the next 30 minutes and come back and check. Now, you can go ahead and make your own sauce, your own Nashville hot wing sauce, but we're gonna make it easy today. We're gonna go in with a full stick of butter and some Sweet Baby Ray's Nashville Hot. This is kind of new. Easy peasy. All right, there we go, folks. Smoked hot Nashville chicken wings. It's time to dig in. So I think the first thing that we need to do is get some of that sauce on there. Now, you can dunk these in that sauce if you want. If that's your thing, you do it how you like. Then we're going to come in with our garnish. Let's do some sesame seed. A little bit more here. There we go. And I like some green onion for color and some crunch and texture. Okay, so the moment of truth has arrived. Let's dig in. And I'm a ranch guy. You can do blue cheese if you like, but I'm a ranch guy. Ooh. Look at that. Yeah. Fantastic. Spicy, but it doesn't kill you. The richness from that butter in the sauce comes through. It's killer. Let's go for this one. That Nashville hot sauce from Sweet Baby Ray's. Yeah. Here's the crunch. You got to try this. They're smoky, tender. They have the crispy skin. That Nashville hot sauce along with that Spiceology Nashville Hot Rub. Man, it's hard to beat. The butter, I think, is a must in the sauce, so I would definitely recommend taking a stick of butter, throwing about 3/4 of that container of Sweet Baby Ray's in a saucepan, heat it up until that butter's melted. Hard to beat. Hey, if you don't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's going to help us out a lot, and we certainly appreciate it. I'm Justin with Casks-n-Que, and we'll see you next time.